Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is our first video, and as we mentioned in our bio, that we're going to use this channel for fun conversations, a lot of fitness content, a lot of sports psychology content, and a few day in our lives as well. Because I feel a lot of people want to watch. सबको देखना है कि what a footballing couple does normally in a day, how they live, and what do they normally do every day. What do you think?
And also our stories from football.
Sanji.
So, me and my dear husband uh, are going to touch base on a lot of things that I'm sure are going to interest all of you. And I think a lot of the things that just go missing. And I feel like a lot of them have been asking us for a very long time as to what we do, and they do sort of want insights as to who we are as individuals and who we are when we come together, and how do we schedule our lives around our footballing journeys, work, etc., etc. So this is the space which is going to be covering a lot of that. And today we're going to be talking a bit about and touching base on that how everybody just sees the goals, achievements, but we see something else as football players. And the lessons from the World Cup, yes, everybody sees the results, everybody appreciates the stars and everything, but there are lessons in everything. Teams that have come up,
Correct.
things that we have learned from watching World Cup about athletes, and they're not just athletes as
नहीं,
well. So,
I feel we chose this topic because एक तो पहला ये हमारा पहला वीडियो है. It's our first video on YouTube, which is gonna go out, and both of us we felt like कि there can't be anything better to talk about when both of us are footballers,
yeah.
and the World Cup is going on. I don't think there can be a better topic to discuss or talk about to introduce who we are, because I know like with me तो ठीक है चलो I am very accessible, but Dalma being Dalma, she's one of the biggest Indian footballers right now. People definitely want to know who Dalma is outside of the field, and how how you deal with things. So I feel this was the best possible things here, because lessons are. I feel सब लोग वर्ल्ड कप देखते to enjoy,
Yeah.
but there are people out there who look at the game, not just the games, but also try to learn things out of the games. So I feel this is the best possible topic that we could talk about. And this World Cup has been crazy until now for me. So I mean, watching Messi score 5 goals has
with
been.
this space is not for Messi, but of course, like we touched base on the lessons, and that is also another lesson, right? That age is just a number.
Correct.
I mean, look at me. I've been thrown out of the national team, and I've been considered, oh, she's so old, because I am 28 years old, and it's not even that I'm 28-year-old, but because I've been playing for the national team, senior team at least since 2015-16, so that's been 10 plus years,
Yeah.
and since 2010, like for all the youths. And touch wood, it was my hard work, everything that I did, that all the games that I started in the starting 11, and I played all of them full 90 minutes. That could be one of the reasons, but I mean, we're literally seeing Messi do Messi things, and I mean, age is just a number, but I don't really think
100%.
that it does exist everywhere. So that is like, of course, like a very big lesson. Not
नहीं
going into much into controversy.
नहीं definitely मतलब even जब a lot of people started talking about how Portugal and Ronaldo couldn't perform, but not talking as a Ronaldo fan or anything, but अगर मैं football देखूँ, यार Ronaldo as a 40-year-old, you cannot expect him to be running around all the time, है ना? मतलब
But
practical.
also, people gave Ronaldo a lot of shit when he had lost one of his child. And since
हाँ
then,
यार.
he started receiving a lot of the controversy that people don't really realize that there is a life of a player outside of the sport as well. And honestly, because I think like it's very easy for all of us to sit here and judge, but I think Ronaldo being Ronaldo and him doing what he's doing at this age in itself is such a big lesson for all of us. because he might not, like growing up, he might not have been like the most talented kids football player, but he worked so hard. And we see that. And now people are discussing how research needs to be done on his body because his
But
body age is 28.
when you are bigger than the club, or when you, as an individual player, when you're bigger than the whole squad, so I mean that comes with the game. Like, because I get it. Uh, they were 1-0 leading, right?
Yeah.
And then they concede a goal where he couldn't have done anything. The striker of DR Congo is literally standing in between the two stopper backs, unmarked, getting a ball like that. It is not his mistake. One plus at the second thing, as a second thing, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि when you're playing in front of players like Vitinha, João Neves, Bruno Fernandes, on one wing, Rafael Leo came on at one point. You had Nuno Mendes on the other wing. You had Bernardo Silva. यार ये सारे players are specifically known for their vision, their creativity. कंसेसाओ के आने के बाद I felt a couple of crosses honestly, but उसके पहले कोई cross ही नहीं हो रहा.
I think, I mean, you're very correct when you say this because, I mean, Ronaldo for me is like a fox in the box.
100%.
Messi is a playmaker, and even yesterday when Argentina played against Austria, the second goal that they scored, like I don't remember who had the ball and could score, but he ended up passing the ball to Messi
Yeah.
to score, and that just shows the team
No,
cohesion.
you're mistaken. So Messi
No,
passed it
second
to
goal.
Julian Alvarez. Alvarez took a shot.
No,
and then he missed it.
He didn't take a shot. The second goal that Messi scored, he had a clear chance of scoring, but he played the ball to Messi, and then Messi dribbled in the same way that the player was, in the same direction.
Yeah.
He tried the shot, it came back, and then he
Correct,
tried it again,
correct.
but he scored. But I mean, that really shows how much of team compatibility and cohesiveness is there in Argentina,
Fair enough.
as opposed to Portugal, because I mean, any day if Portugal decides to sort of use Ronaldo's abilities to their advantage, just play the ball to him in the box. He has the capacity of putting the ball behind the net. So, I mean, anyway, lessons, right? So we're going back to the lessons.
But that is one of the biggest lessons, right?
Yeah.
Nobody can win alone. Like,
Yeah.
if it was up to Ronaldo himself, he would have scored 10, 12 goals. Similar with Messi and Mbappe,
Yeah.
who are playing for their respective countries. Nobody can live. I mean,
And even Messi wouldn't have been Messi had it not been for the players around him. Again.
100%, yeah.
Again.
I feel that I got from watching Portugal play is that talent alone cannot win your games.
For sure.
Because I feel इस पूरे वर्ल्ड कप में पोर्चुगल से ज्यादा टैलेंटेड स्क्वाड कोई है ही नहीं.
They have the best midfield in the squad.
भाई तुम मिडफील्ड की बात कर रहे हो. They have the best left back Nuno Mendes. They have a winger in
They have one of the
Rafael
best
Leo.
scorers also in that
They have the
team.
best scorer in the world who's about to reach 1,000 career goals. They have the best midfield partnership, João Neves or Vitinha. Plus, they have a midfielder who's just one highest scorer in Premier League, Bruno Fernandes. I mean, और क्या?
You remember, I don't remember which World Cup it was 2000s, when England had like a star-studded squad. There was Wayne
Yeah.
Rooney, there was David Beckham, there was,
Correct.
I'm forgetting a lot of the names right now.
2012 if I'm not wrong.
I think so. It was 2000 sometime. And then they were like the favorites to win. So is
Yeah.
Portugal this time. But then they went on not to, they ended up doing nothing in the tournament. But I mean, again, one of the lessons that like, you can't win alone, for sure. And having a star-studded team or having like big names on paper doesn't mean that you will end up winning the World Cup, because those star-studded players should be willing to put their heart and soul out together for the team and not like
there can be one
individually.
more lesson into this. I mean, like Argentina, last World Cup, they lost the first game. And they took the pressure in a very positive manner, and they ended up winning the World Cup.
Yeah.
This could be the same thing, yaar. जब I feel when you are in a group stage के इसमें ना, I as a professional player, अगर मेरे को 7-8 मैचेस खेलने हैं continuous, and ये है ना, मैंने notice करा है. I don't know if it's a research or whatever, but I've noticed this a lot of times. There is one game you face जहाँ ना team होती है कि you're very dicey with everything.
Yeah.
And I feel this is the game, because Portugal coming into the World Cup also, Portugal wasn't at their best. I feel this could be the point where they can use this pressure and turn it into a very big lesson and first game हो गया. It's not like they lost. They're playing good. It's just that they need to be a lot better to win the World Cup, and they can use this pressure and they can make it big from here.
To another lesson is that talent and skill doesn't win you games. It's the heart
100%.
and the desire.
100%.
And I think we've seen that Curacao, Cabo Verde literally throwing their bodies in front of the
Yesterday,
ball.
even Austria, when they were playing against
Oh my God,
Argentina,
yeah,
they were so good.
I was.
I am not joking, guys.
It felt like at some point that they were controlling the ball more than Argentina.
यार second half में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, I feel Argentina played good football, but Austria deserved a goal. The way they were playing, मजाक के अलावा,
My prediction was 2-1.
I didn't think, honestly, I felt even when you're doing the Coca
Watch along.
and I was listening to you guys, it honestly felt like at a point कि Austria could eventually convert. Even on the 85th minute, if I'm not wrong, Rohan Joshi, he said that okay, there might be a chaotic end and 1-1.
Yeah.
I was actually hoping for it because they were playing so good and stuff.
I mean, we could keep going on and on talking about football, but this was just a preview of things that we're going to be doing and discussing and talking about. It is definitely not a podcast. We want to sit, we want to share conversations, we want to share stories about ourselves that are real, that are honest, and that are heartfelt as well, which makes you feel like you're not alone. If you're a footballer, if you're an athlete, that in your journey you're not alone, you're not by yourself, you're here, we share the same stories, and maybe you can draw some sort of inspiration while also having some fun. Of course, our stories have been very chaotic, very humorous.
No,
And we've had,
we're also coming up with how I met Dalima.
oh
We
my
could-
God,
we could actually make a series out of it, how I met your mother and how Dhruv Mill met Dalima.
we actually had a brief discussion about that at the Coke watch along. So I was telling everybody because they were curious, how did you meet your husband? So I was telling them. And I think that would make up for like a good listing because they were also quite interested to know how both of us were. But you're the better person to tell that, and we shall cover that as well. So there are a lot of stories that we would love to share with you. And
This was just, I feel this is just the beginning of showing you what happens with us when we're not around or we're not training. Dalima teaches me a lot of cooking. So मैं सीख रहा हूँ. I have learned, there are a few things that I've learned. Pancakes बनाना सिखाया तुमने.
healthy protein filled pancakes.
Yeah. So every pancake story that I put on my Instagram has 40 grams of protein, guys. So everyone who's looking for a healthy protein-filled pancake, we're going to come up with a recipe video as well. And यार हमारे we want to do daily day in our lives. We want to do a lot more of discussions. We want to do a little bit of vlogging as well to show you all. And I feel this is just the beginning of a very big and long journey because this is something जो हम बहुत time से plan कर रहे थे but हम कभी execute नहीं कर पाए थे ढंग से.
We will try our best.
Yeah.
We are not the best at it, but we will try our best. But make sure, but you will for sure have some fun because it might just get a little chaotic.
We will also show our house, yeah. This whole house we've built from scratch.
Yeah.
So everything.
I think we should make a story of how the house that we bought and the home that we made.
Yeah, I mean it was 3-4 months before the marriage हमें possession मिला था, and we had to get everything done in like 3 months, the whole interior and everything, and we tried getting interior designers on as well, but nothing worked out. So this is everything. The design and everything is planned by Dalima and me. Honestly, it's Dalima who's planned it. Pinterest से निकाल के मैंने सिर्फ execution पे ध्यान दिया है. To be very honest.
But we'll get into that later.
Yeah.
That's a story for another.
We'll actually keep posting a lot regularly now. This is our first YouTube video, so just show some love. Probably get us subscribers and like the video so that we also get motivated because it took a lot from us
Yeah.
कि हमने ये start किया.
And keep showering some love.
Anyways, we'll see you very soon. Thank you very much.